it's not the same anymore.
Off to my fertility appointment. Yay, we're having babies.
A lot of them.
And you've got a full time.
Yeah.
Baby shark, dun 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 dun. Baby shark, dun 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 dun. Baby shark, dun 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 dun. Baby shark. Mommy shark, dun 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 dun. Mommy shark, dun 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 dun. Mommy shark, dun 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 dun. Mommy shark. Daddy shark, where's Daddy shark? Daddy shark is gone.
Daddy shark, dude.
Hi, get your family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. You Batanabum Gosi, Gogo Maweni and her husband, they're expecting another child. Last year, Batanabum Gosi, Gogo Maweni spoke on DJ Spoo podcast about how her and her husband are planning on having twins via IVF. Well, people, of course, judged her ukuthi kuza kanjani ukuthi umuntu wabantu abaphasi ayohamba such places to have a child. But sizawuthini, we listen and we don't judge, because at the end of the day asibazi ukuthi benzani or benza kanjani. She recently revealed ukuthi she is indeed expecting a child, but we are not sure whether it's the twins that her and her husband they were longing for, or it's a single baby. Congratulations to them, Batsandibum Gose. Indeed, it is beautiful to have a family. I mean, bashadile, and it looks like they can definitely afford those children that they keep on having. Godwa Batsandibum Gose, Gogo Maweni revealing that she is expecting a baby with her husband right after that audio circulated on the internet of her husband and her as well, speaking to that side chick about how much we must leave them alone because they are building a future. No wonder congratulations to them, Betunana. It is indeed to see people who are in love doing something that they both enjoy. That's it for today, but please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.